What's up, world? I'm Nazim Saliji and welcome back to the channel once again, you guys. I appreciate you tuning in. I got a huge pickup today, you guys. Probably the most iconic Jordan 1 of all time, if not the most, one of the most iconic Jordan 1s of all time. And it's the last shoe on this stack right here. I'm gonna save it for last, and I'm just really excited to show you guys what I picked up. Let's get right into it, you guys. This first one I picked up recently at Finish Line, and it's a preschool size Michigan Dunk. I tried to look for a men's pair, but they didn't have any. But you got the Nike branding there, the Nike branding on the tongue right there. Very nice Michigan colorway right there, navy blue and yellow. And you got an orange Nike logo inside. I don't know why they went with orange, but yeah, it's a super tiny shoe, but hey, nevertheless, it's still a really nice dunk if you're a Michigan fan. I'm not, but anyway, I'm flipping those. This next shoe, you guys, I was able to hit on a raffle, and no, I take that back. I hit this on sneakers actually, and it's the electric green 6s, you guys, all black. There you go, with the Jumpman Air on the back. You can barely see it because it's stitched, but if they would have went with green here, I think it would have been a nice pop. They got green there, you got green lace lock, green Jumpman, and then you got like the smoky gray bottom right there, smoky white. And yeah, overall all black, and it's a very wearable shoe. All black really goes with everything. But yeah, I'm not too thrilled about these. I may or may not keep them, but let's get into this next one. This next one I also hit on sneakers, and I needed the box for the 6s, the brown box, and that's why I had it open already. But this one right here still has the box. I haven't even looked at them, and here's purple Nike Jordan 1 box. You guys probably already know. It's got a nice metallic finish to it, and this is the Jordan 1 Port Purple, you guys. The women's pair that just came out. Got like a satin lining on the inside, really nice, and kind of like a patent leather swoosh. Patent leather on the collar right here, on the ankle collar, and the leather is actually pretty nice on these. Extra laces, white stock laces, purple bottoms, and that Jordan 1 smell, or that new smell. Holy moly. Yeah, these are super clean, super clean. Even though it's a purple color, I still like it. These next two are Jordan 1s. They're both bangers, you guys. Before I get into them, if you're new to the channel, here's my giveaway right here, Jordan 1 Shadows, you guys. Just subscribe to the channel, follow me on IG, and look for this post with this shoe, and tag 3 friends in the comment section, and you guys will be entered in the giveaway. I always give away, every month, and I just really appreciate everybody following along and supporting. So just my, my thank you to everybody. So the giveaways will continue, you guys. So stay tuned. This next shoe, you guys, spent a bag on this one. Spent a huge bag on these next two, and this is the Jordan 1 Pass the Torch. These things are gorgeous. You got the championship trophy hang tag right there, gold hang tag. You got metallic silver toe box right there, all the way around here. You got these right here, and I actually don't know what that represents. These right here, I should know, but I don't. And this is Kawhi's old logo with Nike right there, and then of course the bottoms, icy bottoms with Kawhi Leonard's old logo. His hands are huge, so they went with the hand logo there. But very, very crazy shoe, you guys. And then one more thing, you got a 2014 lace lock right there, gold lace lock. And yeah, the leather isn't the best on these, but just Kawhi's no longer with the Spurs, obviously, and it's a really, really crazy Jordan 1, and I really liked it, so I pulled the trigger on them. And for the last sneaker, you guys, really, really excited to show you guys these shoes. They're absolutely insane, and it is the Jordan 1 Fragments, you guys. There's the Fragment right there logo. The extra lace is still attached. The black toe, and just I can't even believe I have these right now. Like, if you would have told me in a year and a half of doing YouTube, and I haven't even made a whole lot, I haven't made any YouTube money, but if you would have told me in a year and a half on YouTube I'd have this collection, I would have told you you're crazy. But you know, with hard work and dedication, you guys can have this collection as well. And actually, I'm not too crazy about the leather. Like on the side panel and on the toe box, it's not the best leather, but the swoosh looks like a little bit of a tumbled leather. It looks a little bit better quality. But I mean, you can't, I mean, come on guys. I don't care about the leather, honestly. Just to have this shoe in the collection, along with the Dior's, along with the Off-White Chicago's, along with the Travis's, and everything else that I got, you know, the Union ones, the trophy room ones, the satin ones. Like, these, my ones game is getting really ridiculous right now, and I want to expand and not just get ones, but I'm really enjoying ones right now. Like, they're growing on me a lot, and I never really was a one fan, but ones are becoming my favorite, to be honest. I really love 11s, but the ones are like a really close second. And it might end up taking over the 11s for my favorite shoe silhouette. But yeah, you guys, this is a banger. This is actually insane. I have to find some room on the shelf for all this stuff. But that's it for the video, you guys. Excuse me, I'm kind of losing my voice. I've been really busy, and that's why I haven't posted in like a little over a week. But I really appreciate you watching. Don't forget about the giveaway. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, subscribe to the channel. More heat coming, more giveaways coming. I really appreciate you guys tuning in once again, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.